Hello and thank you for watching. Today we'll be downloading, installing, and configuring the personal version of the RescueVault client software. After signing up for service, you'll receive an email which includes your logon information. This consists of the email address and your initial password. Within that same email, you'll also find the links to download either the Mac or Windows version of the software. I'm downloading and installing the Windows software today, but the process is very similar for Macintosh. The download will take just a moment, and once it's complete, I'll run the installer. Windows is going to present me with a warning because the installer file was downloaded from the internet. This is normal, and I'm going to click OK to allow the install to continue. At this point, the install wizard will begin. We'll click Next, selecting the default that the program will be available to all users of the system. This is important to ensure that all users of the computer will have their data backed up. The rest of the settings you can leave as default. You can also leave the Run Now button checked so that we can open the program now. I'm going to click Do Not Show Me the Ransomware Protection message again because I understand this message and I don't need to see it. I'm going to put in the username and password that I received in the email, and now I'm going to change the version to desktop/server file backup because that's what's in use. And I'm also going to change the initial password to something only I know. Okay, that's been successfully changed now. At this point, we can close the application and your computer will begin its first backup within 24 hours. It's very important to note that the first initial backup may take several days to complete depending on the speed of your computer's connection to the internet and the amount of data you have to back up. You will receive an email as soon as the backup completes, and then every day thereafter confirming your backups are successful. If you have any questions, please submit a ticket on the RescueVault website or send us an email at support@rescuevault.com. Thank you again for watching.